Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Ink, and today I'm going to be showing you the Inkjecta Eclipse. The Eclipse is Inkjecta's latest follow-up to the popular Flite Nano machines, so let's take a closer look. The Inkjecta Eclipse is a rotary machine designed for use with standard tattoo needles. Just like the Flite Nano Elite and limited edition models before it, the Eclipse features a billet alloy construction, typically used in the aerospace industry. Powering the machine is a custom Nanotechnology motor, which ensures a very smooth performance. This is reinforced and protected by an injection molded fibre motor housing. As you can see, the Eclipse has a distinctive look that sets it apart from the Inkjecta's flagship range of Flite Nano rotary machines. It also comes with a 3.25mm chrome cam, which is interchangeable, allowing artists to choose their stroke length. In addition, the Inkjecta Eclipse is able to push up to a 45 Magnum with ease. This machine operates using a broad voltage range from 4.5 to 18 volts. It also features a twin spring vice grip lock, needle bar stabiliser with adjustable give, flex pin system with rigid and medium attachment options, and a handmade medical grade slide. To adjust the pressure of the needle stabiliser, you simply turn the screw with the tools provided. For minimum give, turn the drive bar like so. As for the little grub screws on the front, you can use this as an indicator for stroke length if you wish. If you want to change the flex pins, you'll need to get yourself a crosshead screwdriver, which is not in the box. However, Inkjecta has included all of the required hex keys that you may need for your machine, along with some inox lubricants. Manufactured in Australia, the Eclipse is definitely a worthy successor to the acclaimed Inkjecta Flite Nano machines. The Inkjecta Eclipse is available in two colours, black and blue and black and silver. Both can be ordered from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of Inkjecta's latest Eclipse machine? Will it be your next rotary? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.